Today we have with us one of the most successful television celebrity, Shakti Arora, with us, who has defined television for a long period of time. And if you have been a TV fan, you would have seen him on most of the serials such as Meri Aashiki Tumse Hi, Pavitra Rishta and all of those. Thank you, Shakti, for being here.
Thank you so much.
People see you as a very, very successful star, but they often don't see the challenges that you would have faced, the troubles that you had to go through. Let's start with the journey. How did it begin? How did you think of becoming an actor?
Actually, my grandfather is an actor. His name is Chandrasekhar. He's a veteran actor. He's 97 years. So 17 years back only he stopped working. So that time he used to host a lot of parties at his residence, and a lot of celebrities, Bollywood celebrities, used to come to his place. And then I thought that even I want to be an actor. Even I want this fame, this success, and even I want to live in this limelight. So that's when I decided, when I was a kid only, like when I was 13, 14 years of age, I decided that I want to become an actor. I thought that when I'll become, like 25 around, so I'll become a superstar like my grandfather and I'll rule the industry. It's very easy for me. It's a very, piece of cake. But when I entered the industry, I realized that, it is so difficult to get a role. It is so difficult to get recognized, to be appreciated by someone for your performance. So I realized that it's not a piece of cake and you need to do a lot of struggle and a lot of hard work to achieve what you want to achieve in life. So I definitely tried to take help from my grandfather. But he always had this one advice that, don't get into this field.
Oh.
Either do an MBA or, get a secure job. Because I myself wanted a secure field. I don't like that I'm working some days and I'm not working some days. Probably some days I'm, earning money, some days I'm not. So basically everybody wants a secure life, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody wants a financial freedom. So in this profession, it is very difficult to have financial freedom.
True.
Because sometimes you'll earn money like chappar phad ke, and sometimes you'll not have money for the most important days of your life. So if you do the right kind of planning and investments, and it's a different thing. But most of the actors face that issue.
True.
So then I started giving interviews for different other professions. Like I wanted to become I wanted to open a travel agency, and my passion, my inner deep desire is to act. So why not to do that? Everybody told me it's a very risky profession, don't get into it, probably you will have work, probably you won't. If I would be in that position right now, अगर आप मुझे मतलब आज पूछो कि मैं acting industry में enter करना चाहता हूँ, I will say no. Because it is not a secured profession, first of all. आपका तुक्का लग गया तो लग गया, नहीं लगा तो फिर जैसे भीड़ में सब हैं, बैठे हुए हैं, वेट कर रहे हैं, सब वेट ही कर रहे हैं. वो वाली बात है.
But taking from the career choice that you made and the passion you followed, in your family you have 3 doctors. All of your, siblings are doctors. Was it a fight at home, to follow my passion or to be the Sharma ji ka beta and do well a certain job?
मैं तो मेरे मम्मी को बड़ा होने के बाद यही बोला कि मम्मी मैं डॉक्टर तो नहीं बन पाया लेकिन एक्टर बन गया. टर कॉमन है.
और ऊपर से आपने डॉक्टर भी बने हैं.
मैं डॉक्टर बना, बहुत सारे शोज में डॉक्टर बना हूँ.
जी. So सेमी माँ बाप की बात आपने मान ली, थोड़ी बहुत
कहीं ना
कर ली. बच्चा डॉक्टर दिखना चाहिए, बस बहुत हो गया. That's one bit.
एक्टिंग कर लेता हूँ डॉक्टर होने की.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
Acting profession is very accepting anyways. If
Not accepting actually. If you are good at your job, then only they will accept you. Otherwise, it's very difficult to.
We recently did a survey with people, around 3,000 people in India, and we asked them, do you make space for your passion? And they said no. Over 68% said no. Most of the people said one is because of work-life balance. Second, अगर उसमें से थोड़ा वक्त मिल जाता है तो family responsibilities होती हैं. And the third is, अगर ये सब भी है तो then there is time and money involved. But I can manage that if the first 2 are there. For an actor, the first 2 are very, very critical. So I'll start with the first one. How do you, make space, or how do you manage your work-life balance?
See, when I'm working for a television show or something like that, 12 hours is the shooting time. Apart from that, there is a traveling time. So I'm approximately outside for 15 to 16 hours a day. So that time it's very difficult to give time to my family. The only thing I do is I come back home, probably eat food, or I eat food on the way in my car, and then directly go to sleep. And then I get up in the morning, get ready, and then leave. That's the only time I can give to my family. But I crave for family time. और मेरे passion बदलते भी रहता है.
अच्छा.
Like I wanted to do acting, so I came into the acting field. Then I also had this passion for traveling, so I did I took a degree in travel and tourism, and now I'm following this passion of traveling around the world. I've just started traveling, so I'm just traveling to different places and discovering new places. So which I couldn't do earlier. Now I have the capacity to do it, so I am doing it. I recently developed a passion for photography.
Okay.
So now I have bought a camera. Now I'm just clicking
Learning.
pictures here and there and do. So मैं अपना passion को छोड़ता नहीं हूँ. मुझे अगर कुछ अच्छा लगता है और अगर मुझे वो interest करता है, so मैं घुस जाता हूँ उसके अंदर. I feel I'm a nerd now. मुझे लगता है मैं जितना मैं बचपन में पढ़ाकू नहीं था, उतना मैं अभी पढ़ाकू हो गया हूँ. मतलब if I like a subject, I will just research to the core.
You also recently got married, and our survey also said, one of the biggest problems that couples face today is both of them are off phones after they come from office.
Right.
So
This is
that's
a universal problem actually.
Do you face that at home, and what's
Yes,
your
yes.
totka to prevent that?
See, ये बहुत कॉमन टॉपिक है और बहुत कॉमन झगड़े का टॉपिक भी है, क्योंकि मोस्टली अभी क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू आर न्यू टू ईच अदर एंड व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग विद दैट पर्सन आइडल एंड इफ यू आर सिटिंग विद दैट पर्सन 24 hours a day, obviously you will not keep talking all the time, right? So you need some kind of entertainment, or you need some kind of diversion, maybe. And our brains have become so info hungry. Basically, we have become info hungry, and that's how our brain has become. We can't help it now.
True.
So to get out of that addiction is very difficult. So इसमें तो झगड़े होते ही हैं घर पे. लेकिन हाँ, अभी ऐसे बहुत देर तक अगर हो गए तो आई मेक अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट कि मैं बहुत देर से फोन पे हूँ, छोड़ो उसको, अभी थोड़ा सा बात कर लो सबसे.
तो कुछ ऐसा रिचुअल है जो अब फॉलो होता है? जैसे मेरे घर पे बिंज वॉच होता है एवरी सैटरडे. हम लोग जब आते हैं तो 9 बजे से 12 बजे तक 100% हम दोनों, मैं और मेरी वाइफ, हम लोग बैठ के बिंज वॉच करते हैं जो भी सीरियल पसंद.
हमारी लाइफ में कोई सैटरडे संडे नहीं होता. या तो नहीं काम कर रहे हैं तो रोज सैटरडे संडे होता है और काम कर रहे हैं तो रोज ही मंडे होता है. तो हाँ, अभी तो हम लोग वही करते हैं. मतलब मैंने अपने बेड के साइड में एक अपना एक छोटा सा ईटिंग एरिया बना दिया हुआ है. वहीं पे हम लोग टेबल पे बैठ के हम लोग खाना खा लेते हैं और साथ में नेटफ्लिक्सिंग करते रहते हैं.
तो आपने अभी घर को भी रीडिज़ाइन किया है. सो वन थिंग इज कि वो सारा आपने खुद ही डिज़ाइन किया है. यू पिक एंड चूज. हाउ पर्टिकुलर आर यू टू डू दिस? इट takes a lot of time.
More than particular, I'm finicky. Me and Neha, we both are so finicky about design and quality. और ज़रा सा भी अगर कुछ भी इधर से उधर हुआ या फिर कहीं पे भी कुछ खोट दिख गया तो फिर हमारा तो दिमाग ही ख़राब हो जाता है. हम मतलब अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्टर पर ही चढ़ जाते थे. सो उसके वजह से हमारा काम बहुत डिले हुआ. मतलब एक 2 BHK का फ्लैट बनाने में हमें 1 साल लग गया, जो मोस्टली 4 महीना लगता है. तो अगर कुछ ख़राब है तो फिर से रीडन होता है, फिर से उसके ऊपर सब कुछ सारी मेहनत होती है. तो हर एक चीज़ को हमने प्रॉपर्ली डिज़ाइन किया है. मैंने पूरा सोच के, मैंने और नेहा ने दोनों ने, नहीं तो मुझे मार डालेंगे इंटरव्यू देखिए.
क्रेडिट आपने दिया नहीं अभी तक.
नहीं, हम दोनों ने, ऑफ कोर्स दोनों ने, हम दोनों की मेहनत और काफ़ी डिसेंट बन चुका है घर अभी. अभी काफ़ी रहने लायक भी है.
घर की एक और ख़ास बात है जो हम लोग देखते हैं, क्योंकि अब टाइम नहीं मिलता है. आजकल फ्रेंड्स स्टे ओवर के लिए आते हैं. सो आपको उसी घर के अंदर, एंड मुंबई इज़ अ प्लेस जहाँ पे घर उतने बड़े नहीं होते. So what are the small things that you do? Do you have friends coming over, and what do you do when they come?
Yes, since I've just made my house, so people have started coming to my place. उससे पहले तो मैं बुलाता ही नहीं था, because घर एक तो ऐसे मतलब ऐसा था messed up कि कहीं बैठने की जगह नहीं, कहीं कुछ नहीं. So I used to never call at home, but we used to go outside. So now people just they keep coming over every alternate day. Some of the other friends they've come and we're just chilling together. So मेरा एक और रूम है, which is kind of a den place. It's a no Wi-Fi zone.
Oh.
हाँ, तो वहाँ पे Wi-Fi नहीं पकड़ता है, मोबाइल डेटा भी नहीं पकड़ता है, thankfully.
आजकल के चैट शोज में से ऑफ कोर्स नेसेसरी भी होता है कि आप कुछ तो इंटरेस्टिंग रैपिड फायर राउंड करें, तो हम भी एक छोटा सा घुसा देंगे. आंसर विद एन वर्ड और अ फ्रेज दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड फॉर द फर्स्ट.
Okay.
A hidden talent of mine people don't know.
That I am great in R&D.
You spoke about the research.
I'm a nerd.
Okay. The biggest pillar of my strength.
My parents. My family.
What I dislike the most?
Fake people.
Okay. Guilty pleasure that I enjoy.
Sizzling brownie.
What about the calories?
I don't care about the calories when I'm eating
You
that.
burn.
I care about the calories only after eating it.
If not at work, what would you catch me doing the most?
Researching.
Okay. Next project where we will see you.
Acting is work for me, and travel is leisure for me.
Okay. And one question that we have to add, there is always a tussle between right side bed ka mera ya left side bed ka mera. Which side is yours?
Left side is mine.
Left side is yours.
Yeah.
Always.
Anywhere we go, left side is mine.
Okay. That would be
because women are always right, right?
Ah, that's a new angle. Yeah. So we need to push that in. Women are always right. He is trying to earn points because Neha is not here. But let's hope that's not the case because she will take your case later.
Yeah, definitely.
With that, thank you Shakti for being here. It was wonderful speaking with you.
बहुत मजा
and
आया.
good to knowing you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Lovely
you.
meeting you. Watch this video to know how I make space for life.